We go for coffee break today? You're so funny. You're such a little monkey.
Can you say, what does a monkey say?
Good.
What does a cow say? Yeah. What does a kitty say?
Ow.
Yeah. And a puppy? Yeah. Good job. Where are your eyes? Where's your nose? And your mouth? Where's your mouth? You got your thumb in your mouth. Yeah.
Good girl.
Do you know where your ears are? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Oh, goodness.
That was a big belch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Sophie's just looking away, isn't she?
Hi, Sophie.
Yeah.